Sounds of Decay 3, Deicide, Banished by Sin. Somebody made a comment to me last year that there's like 100 people in extreme metal, and I just laughed it off. However, the more we examine, consume, and promote Satan's finest music, the more I understand the comment. Deicide's massive 2018 record, Overtures of Blasphemy, produced by Floridian whiz Jason Sukoff, Black Dahlia, the all-new Death Angel, was another tome in Uncle Glenn's extensive library of brutal, guttural, ear-hammering crushers with quick and dirty compositions and lots of upfront guitar. 6 years later, the band delivers an album every bit as strong, having sort of merged with Camps with the Inhuman Condition band. This is a wise move if there ever was one, as you'd have to go 100 miles to find two people more committed to quality death metal than Jeremy Kling, engineer, and Tyler Nordberg, guitars and additional engineering.
This one was worth the wait. Steve Eshim's percussion steamrolls song after song. Glenn's vocals spew top-notch Bible bashing with signature deep grunts that nobody can get deep enough in their chest to duplicate. The combination of Nordberg and Kevin Quirion on guitar proved to be a winner, zigzagging in and out of melodic solos that enhance Glenn's sacrilege to no end. Take a track like Woke from God that lays down a gorgeous lead before the first verse is ever uttered. That's what I'm talking about. The song moves through tight start-stop changes and some breathtaking harmonized maiden and form leads. Benton eventually getting to the best line of the song, no longer bound by the words of a Lord who canceled me. The title track lays down a classic Deicide riff if there ever was one. I defy you not to shake your corroded melon to this one, all the while admiring Nordberg's crystalline lead trappings as they flash by.
At 39 minutes, Banished by Sin aligns perfectly with the in-crush-out model of the last record. But it's the guitar arrangements this time that really knock things out of the park. Deicide are entering perhaps the final phase of an impressive career as death metal heretics, and with records like this, they are proving they haven't lost a step at all.
All right, let this one crush your brain. Banished by Sin.
This is the Snaggletooth Extreme Metal Podcast.